Mount a charger without measuring, and in less than 2 minutes. Get paint, nail polish or touch-up paint, or anything that does not dry quickly. Then apply it on the backside. Push it up to your final mounting location. Use the right edge as your guide. Attach your screws, and adjust for height. Perfect. But need to adjust for height. Nice and flush against the surface. Now we need to add one more screw, to lock it in place. When mounted vertically, like this, you can mount and unmount batteries with one hand. It also takes less surface area. Stay in the loop with our hacks. Subscribe, like, comment,